Hello, folks. We're back. I'm in a SQL mood apparently because there's a lot of SQL stuff here. Can you find the flag on this website? Try to find the flag here. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's see. I'm gonna admin something. Okay. Let me zoom in on that so people can see it. Hopefully, you can see it like that. I put in this username and password, and it even shows you what the SQL command is. And so this is where the SQL injection can happen, because if they're not sanitizing their input, then you can basically hack this part. We're going to escape this and make it and like sort of force the logic to be in our favor. So right now it's checking the password and the username and selecting the ID from the users table. So if that comes back as a value, then you get to log in basically. All right, I'm going to copy this and open it up in my ID. All right, so here we are. This is the current code that is being executed. What I want to do is basically hack this part. The beginning we can't really change because that's the beginning, but we can say where password equals sort of a blank password, and then we can say or 1, which is true. 1 is always true. So by putting this double dash, that's a comment in SQL, so basically kind of cancels everything after it. So it would look sort of like this, because it doesn't matter. Basically, it doesn't matter what happens after this. So we're sort of injecting just the most important part, which is this, or sorry, this part. So I'm going to do that. That needs to be the password, and then whatever happens after that doesn't really matter. So let's try that out. Let's go back. Okay, so the admin, doesn't really matter what this is. So I'm pasting my thing, but you can't really see it. So let me inspect this and change the input type to just text so you can actually see what I'm typing in. Basically, I'm putting this quotation mark, the single quotes that we saw in the command, in the SQL query, and then we do the or, and so we can log in. Aha, so that did work. Okay. Okay, well, this is not the flag. Okay. We hacked our way into logging in. All right, so let me just copy this because this is the thing that worked, just in case I need it again. Now we're on a new page, and I assume that we need to do some more SQL injection here. I guess use this input to hack something. So if we try to look for cities like Algiers, and I press enter, it'll give me what I'm looking for, because this is a SQL query that it's being run, but we're not able to see the query. That's not being shown to us, so we kind of have to make some assumptions. Okay. So how would this look? So we're not shown what the command is, but it's gonna look something like, let's see, this is like a city table or something, and it's pulling the city address and phone number. So it's pulling 3 columns, I assume, and it's just showing us the table essentially. Okay, so what does that look like here? So it's going to look something like select city address, the address and phone from cities table. So I think that's what it's going to look like. The filter is going to be like where city, like some string, and we control what this string is, what's in the middle there, and it's going to filter on that, but it's always returning these 3 columns. Okay, so we can't control this part. What we can do is control this end of it. So we can sort of do a union and basically smash whatever this query returns, and just smash something else under it. We are limited by the number of columns, because the way you do a union is to basically line up one table on top of another. So we're limited to 3 columns, but that's not too bad. What do we union? We know that there's a users table, so I'm going to use that for a second. Actually, we could just do select 1, 2, 3 just to see if we can even do this, just as a check. So let me do that. Let's go for Algiers. Then I think we could say union select 1, 2, 3. Okay, that did not work. Okay, so something else is happening. The test I want to do here is to see if it's using I-like or anything like that. So I was doing lowercase, so al, or let me see, ki. So if I do ki, does that give me kiglali in this one? So it should give me these 2 basically. So does that happen? No, it doesn't. Oh, interesting. So it's like an exact match. Let's see, so Lagos will be like that. Oh, okay. So I'll go back. Okay, perfect. All right, so now I know a little bit more about how that works. So it's not using I-like, it's using equivalence. It's using just like equals. And we get to control this part. Ah, I see, I see. So basically, this is the part we control. So basically, this is like if I cut this out, that's what it's going to look like. That's the normal query. And we're going to insert right at the end here, this. So it looks like the regular thing, and we're just inserting the union. And I think that should work. So this is the thing I'm inserting. So let me try that. All right, cool. So Lagos, fine. And let's see. Okay, interesting. So it worked for one. So we know that we're able to inject basically. So that's a confirmation. Awesome. It looks like it injected it on the top. Oh, I guess maybe it does some sorting first. I don't know. Okay, so now that we have this, that works. We can now sort of tailor our injection a little bit better. So I don't want to do select 1, 2, 3. What I want to do is select from the users some information. ID from users. This is going to show me all the IDs from users, but I want to know what other columns there are. Well, I guess the ID isn't very informative, huh? What? Okay, so I need to find out what tables are there. I want to know what columns those tables have. And the way you can find that, I have no idea. So let me go looking this up a little bit. Okay, so we're told, I'm going to take the hint here. The hint says SQLite. Okay, so I'm going to copy that. So it's a specific kind of SQL. So let's find out. SQLite, show tables. Yeah, this looks like SQL. So select name from their word table. This is basically like a meta table that comes with SQLite. So I think this is what I'm looking for. I want to select name. I need to make it 3 columns. So let's do 1, 2. So this is going to be the name and then like some junk data. From here, where table equals that. Okay, so let's see if we can grab this part here. All right, let's see if we can make this work. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Search. Oh no. Oh no. I think oh yeah, I need to restart the instance. Okay. I took so long. That's why that happened. Okay, cool. So if I pop that in here again, let's see if I can search that. I don't get anything. Oh, hold on. It says note for tables don't show up with that. Okay, so you need this. Oh, so this is different. This is different than this. Someone says only this works for me. Okay, let's try that one. All right, let's see if we can change this. So this is the select statement. All right, and I need to make 3 columns. So it's going to be 1, 2. And let's see if this works. All right, search. Ooh, okay. All right, so we have a bunch of tables. So we have hints, more table, offices, and users. I guess we're looking at the offices table initially. I need to know the columns now, though, because I want to grab all the information from these. So how do I get the column names? Let's find out. Show column names. Oh, okay. So let's try this one. Okay, so the SQL. So here's what it looks like it's doing. Copy this. Oh, I need to make sure to put the double dash at the end. Please work. No, it didn't work. Oh no, why does it not work? Oh, I know, obviously, because when I put the SQL here, I need to have 2 more columns. 1, 2. Does that work? No. Table name equals table name. Oh, actually, I don't want this. I just want to say where the type is tables because I want to see all of them. Okay, so I think, yeah, because this matches what we see here. Oh, okay, so this is what's similar. So I have the name. So I can actually use the name here. So the name, SQL, and then just the random number 2. Okay, let's see if that works. Please work. Oh my God. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Create table hints. It has an ID integer and some info text. Okay, perfect. You know what? I'm just going to copy all this. Okay, nice. Okay, we have information here. So we have the table. We have that, a random 2. We don't want that. Okay, perfect. So we now have a lot of information. We have each table. We have 4 tables. We have all the table column names. So we can just query them directly. We'll use this injection style to like kind of select from each one. Let's go with the hints table for now. So we're going to do the union select, and we're going to say select, I guess ID and info. Okay, perfect. ID, info, and then like just the number 2 from hints. All right, let's go with that. Bam, nothing. Okay, I messed something up. Yes, because I don't have the double dash, because you need the double dash in order to cancel everything afterwards. Okay, is this real life? Is this real life? You are close now. Okay, that was not very helpful. Okay, let's do something with this more table. The more table has an ID and a flag. Okay, I'm gonna guess that's what we're looking for from the more table. I need the double dash at the end. Let me not forget that. Paste that, search. Oh my freaking God. I cannot believe it. Getting SQL injection like you should. If you are here, you must have seen it. Oh my god. Okay, please. It was insane. I freaking love SQL injection. It's so fun. Alright guys, if this is the kind of content you enjoy, please make sure to like, subscribe, do all the good things, and I'll catch you next time.